Students, all of you see page number 30. I am reading this paragraph. All was not well. Within a few years, after the new systems were imposed, after the new systems means permanent settlement or Mahalwari system, Rayatwar or Rayatwari systems. After establishment of these system for collecting revenue, so we can see what it was clear that we can understand that all was not well with them. The systems were not good, not well, because of so many problems created, both of them, company also as well as the peasants, people also, driven by the desire to increase the income from land. Now company officers, they wanted to increase more income. They wanted to collect more money from the land, from the peasants. Revenue officers fixed to high a revenue demand, so that they imposed high revenue, amount of tax high, for collecting more income, more revenue. Peasants were unable to pay. Another side, high revenue, but peasants, farmers, they were unable to pay revenue to the company. Riots, peasants fled the countryside. Fled means ran away because of they were unable to pay. So that some peasants, some farmers ran away, left their villages, and villages became deserted in many regions because of not paying revenues to the company. So many farmers, peasants ran away and left their villages. So it resulted, so many villages became deserted. Optimistic officials. Optimistic means hopeful officers. Those who designed as well as the started new method. So these officers had imagined that the new systems would transform means change the peasants into rich enterprising farmers. They felt that those who were the hopeful officers, like one of the Munro, etc., so many. So they thought like this new method, whatever the new methods, would change the peasants' life. Now they became rich businessmen, rich farmers like this. But this did not happen. But this happened? No. Because of so many problems, so many drawbacks in new systems which were imposed for collecting revenues. Now students, crops for Europe we will read in next clip.